Industrial Internet of Things, or Industry 4.0. Starting from mechanical, moving towards electronics, and then getting the edge of computers, and finally connecting to the internet. When we talk about Industrial Internet of Things, what are the things or what are the areas that it brings a lot of knowledge and transformation in today's world? The first is automation. When we talk about automation, we want to do something repetitive but in a more precise manner. And Technoviz Automation is a pioneer in doing that. From past 2 decades, they're able to revolutionize the way of technical as well as industrial automation. Based out of Dubai as well as Gurgaon. The second thing which I personally feel brings a lot of value through Industrial Internet of Things is distribution and logistics. Now imagine if you order something from an Amazon or a Flipkart, they have those huge warehouses. You might have saw a couple of reels where robots are carrying your package from one place to the another. On the basic principles of barcode and sensor, they are placed on a conveyor belt and being distributed at a particular point, and most precise are put on a conveyor belt and being displaced where they are required the most. In a very similar way, this is a small prototype where we have conveyor belt, we have digital inputs, we have IIoT controller, where we connect this controller to our system, and through the power of internet, we can make the machines communicate together to have a very efficient distribution and logistics supply. The third is, which I feel has the other area, which I feel has a lot of value, is establishing an assembly line. Now, when we talk of an assembly line, now if I take to our basic principles of a cycle, which has 2 tires, which has a body, which has a gear system, which has a handle, brake, and basic accessories, mudguard, and stuff like that. So when you want to assemble that cycle, you have to take a screwdriver and do it manually. But can you automate that entire process where you can teach your robots about the precision, about the force, about the intervention of every role at every stage? You just have to map that code, teach your robot, and Industrial Internet of Things will take care of everything related to it. So that's what the function of an assembly line is. And then finally,